like that?
Here's my last one. Okay.
Oh, let's see if she, let her try.
See. 1, 2.
I think it's an amazing thing to have, especially at our library. I know that sometimes these toys can be a little bit expensive, and so the idea that we can pick up 5 different ones to take home and play with, and then sort of use for a week or a month or whatever, and then return them and get more is, I mean, I think that's super exciting. One, and here's the number 1. Yellow, that's right. Within the packet, there were different games that appealed to each of them more, and they both were playing all weekend and trying to decide which one was their favorite. I like watching them learn, so I think it's a fun way. Sometimes some of the stuff that they're learning and really experiencing, they're doing at school, and we don't get to do that as much since they're with their teachers and with their peers. So to be able to bring it home and just sort of already reinforce what they're learning at school and get to experience it with them is cool.
5, 6, 7.
And
I mean, 4, 9.
there it is. Good job.